Hi everyone, happy July. I wanted to come and show you guys this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom that we have available here. This is our last one that we have in the current phase that we have available, and then we would be completely out of 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. So if you are interested in a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, completely brand new, modern home, feel free to come and view this home. We are located at 1642 Alyssum Court here in Albion, Michigan. And if you would like to contact us, you can call us at any time at 517-769-4365 and come look at this beautiful brand new home. You guys hopefully have a great week and come check us out.